every business today depends on these three important things: active social media, good reviews, and quick responses. But the problem is all this takes a lot of time and most business owners do not have it. So here in this video, I have come up with some automation which I have created using Google Gemini and Pabbly Connect, which is going to work in your background while you focus on other important tasks of your business. The first business replies to your Google business profile reviews automatically so that your profile looks active and professional. The second one replies to your Facebook comments instantly so that you do not lose a customer because of slow responses. The third one creates and publishes Facebook post for your Facebook page even when you give just one simple idea. These automations are very easy to set up and they save a lot of hours every week. So they can help you stay consistent without any extra effort. Now let's quickly dive into these automation without wasting any more time. So most businesses receive Google review daily, but they don't have the time to reply. Late replies hurt trust and reduce visibility and make the business look careless. So you can have a business of your salon and spa, travel agency, real estate agent, clinics and wellness centers, restaurants and cafes, or any local store which depends on local reputation. So this workflow automatically reads your Google business review and uses Google Gemini to craft a personalized human sounding reply which gets posted to that particular review. So you as a business owner don't even have to open your Google business profile. Now this workflow triggers whenever you get a new review. So if I open this tab, and you can see that the business has got the 5-star and a comment, "We liked your service and products." Now this workflow has triggered. It is going to send this data to Google Gemini. Google Gemini is going to craft a personalized response and it is going to post the reply to that particular review. If I open this tab, I scroll down. Here you see that I have received this response from my Google Gemini and it has been posted to that particular review. "Thank you for your kind words and 5-star review. We are so glad you had a nice experience with our service and products." Now there are several benefits of using this automation. 100% reply rate boosts ranking on Google Maps, saves 5-10 hours per month, build trust instantly and turn negative comment into positive opportunity. Moving on towards our second automation, which is this: Google Gemini replies to your Facebook comments automatically. Now businesses get a lot of comment: where is your business, where is your company, what is your phone number, how can I contact you? So late replies equals lost customer. So you can have a business of e-commerce, boutique, restaurants and cloud kitchens where you get frequent comment inquiries. So this automation reads every new Facebook comment and generate a reply using Google Gemini instantly. This will help you keep your page active and convert more inquiries to more customers. Now here this workflow gets triggered whenever you get a new comment. So we can see that we have received this comment on our Facebook page: "I want to know the details of Black Friday sale." Now as this is posted, this workflow got triggered and then it is sent to this Google Gemini to generate the content or the reply. Then I've put this delay action step where the reply will not be posted instantly. It is going to wait for some minutes and then the reply will be posted to that particular comment. I'm going to open this last action step. And here you see that Google Gemini has generated the comment for me. "Hey there, thank you so much for reaching out about our Black Friday sale. We are excited to be offering special discounts across all core services." And it has generated a very detailed reply which has been posted to that particular comment. Now this automation workflow is going to give you faster conversion because replies are instant, page engagement increases and businesses look active 24/7. Saves hundreds of manual reply every month. Now we are finally going to move towards our last automation, which is auto create and publish Facebook post using Google Gemini. Now businesses know that they have to improve their online presence, but they lack idea, do not have the time to write and often forget when to publish their post. So businesses like content creators, freelancers, event planners, basically all the businesses that needs constant online visibility can use this automation. So this workflow creates your Facebook post automatically by you just giving one single idea. You enter that idea in your Google Sheet spreadsheet, it reaches Google Gemini create the content or generate the content and it gets automatically posted to your Facebook page. So here let's suppose that you have a Google Sheet and you have entered the idea keywords and the audience in that particular Google Sheet spreadsheet. Now as you enter that idea, this workflow gets triggered. That data is sent to Google Gemini. Google Gemini generate the content based on the same information which you have entered and you get the response. Now you post this generated content to your Facebook page automatically. And every time you add a new idea to your Google Sheet spreadsheet, the content gets generated and posted automatically to your Facebook page. So 24 24/7 constant posting increases your engagement and reach. Save 60 hours every month and increase brand visibility. Eliminates writer's block, and this is best for new entrepreneurs who do not have a marketing team. So these were the 3 practical AI automation which can help you reduce your work and help your business stay active and consistent. So I have attached the link of these 3 workflows in the description with a video tutorial link of these 3 workflows. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below. You can stay tuned to our channel for loading more such interesting automation. Thanks for watching.